And you say this because you, quote, wanted nothing, end quote.
That is correct.
But you hadn't donated your entire $7 million settlement to charity at that point, had you?
That's incorrect.
Sitting here today, Ms. Heard, you still haven't donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity. Isn't that right?
Incorrect. I pledged the entirety of the settlement, $7 million to charity, and I intend to fulfill those obligations.
Ms. Heard, that's not my question. Please,
what was
try
your
to
question?
answer my question. Sitting here today, you have not donated the $7 million, donated, not pledged, donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity.
Camille Vasquez has shocked Amber Heard with a genius countermove to her $10 million appeal. Lawyer Camille Vasquez, who represented actor Johnny Depp in his defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard, has said that she is lucky to be in his legal team. And Johnny feels the exact same way about her too. And why wouldn't he, when she is as competent as she is? With an array of genius moves on and off the court, Camille has put Amber on the back foot yet again and brought Depp closer to victory. What has she pulled off this time around? Keep on watching to find out. Camille is taking the fight to Amber. In a teaser clip of her interview with CBS Mornings, Vasquez was asked how she felt about Amber choosing to appeal the verdict, to which she answered,
"It was expected. I mean, she's indicated since the day she lost the trial that she was going to appeal."
Do you have to plan a strategy to respond to that?
Absolutely, and we did. Mr. Depp ended up filing his own appeal so that the court could have the full record. And she insists on continuing to litigate this matter. We have to protect our client's interests.
From what Camille has said, it seems like she was prepared for Amber to file an appeal, and the tactical decision to make Depp counter with an appeal of his own was Camille's idea all along. An extremely smart legal tactic right now, Depp's appeal is as much in pure response to Heard's appeal of July 21st as it is an effort to try to claw back the $2 million award that the Virginia jury gave Heard in her $100 million countersuit against Depp and his 2019 $50 million complaint. It seems like Camille will ensure a swift victory for Johnny in the appeals battle as well. According to her, this is the end game of their appeal plan.
It's pretty standard legal procedure. We just are hopeful that the court will uphold the verdict, which we think was the right verdict, and allow both parties to move on.
This is not all she talked about during the interview. She gave more insight into the strategy during Depp's defamation trial, shedding light on the decision to have cameras in the courtroom, which turned out to be an amazing decision for Johnny's side. She elaborated.
I think that was important to the client. For Johnny, it was about finally being able to tell his story. And these are horrific allegations that were made against him. He needed to be able to tell his story.
Camille also talked about how over-prepared her team was for this case, which was another brilliant insight into the work ethic that she possesses and the amount of effort she put into this trial. According to her,
I think the pressure of it all made us probably over-prepare. So we were really prepared. And I think that can't be understated.
She also talked about her amazing ability to identify talent when asked about how she chose her team.
Well, Jessica's a fantastic writer, as is Sam. And I think for people that know a little bit about the law, it's not just what's on camera, right? It's not just us objecting and getting to do the fun things, right? Like a witness. And so for Ben and me, I mean, we just identified talent.
The attorney said that Johnny Depp's legal team needed a woman's perspective in his trial against Amber Heard and that she was lucky to be on it. Vasquez said after working for Depp for almost 5 years, it was important for her to be on a case that was most personal to the actor. It was important to have a woman on the team, Vasquez told the host, Gayle King, in the teaser clip. This case called for a woman's perspective, and I was the lucky person chosen to do this job. Vasquez said it was hard work and luck that got her the job in the end, and that she did not take it lightly. This was his name. This was his life. It was important, she added. In the trial's powerful and case-deciding closing statement, Vasquez told the court,
We ask you, we implore you, to render a verdict for Mr. Depp. We ask you to set the record straight, that he is not the abuser she described, and that she is not the heroic survivor she portrayed. And we ask you to tell Ms. Heard that what she did was
Jurors found both Depp and Heard liable for defaming each other, but awarded Depp more in damages. Vasquez became somewhat of an internet celebrity during the trial and was later promoted to partner at her law firm Brown Rudnick. She has since taken on another legal case for Depp. What do the netizens think about Camille? Let's take a look. A user tweeted, "Dr. Curry and Camille Vasquez are the women you hope your daughters grow up to emulate. Strong, independent, responsible for their own success. Either could have traded on their beauty, both succeeded on their intellect. They know and fight for the truth." That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.